Okay guys, now I will make tutorial video how to make traditional medicine for cough. It made from lemon and sweet ketchup. I have been prepare the lemon and I have been sliced. Now the lemon need to heat into the stove like this. Until the lemon is getting warm. I prepare a cup. I always use this traditional medicine if I get cold because I think it's more safety and better rather than I use chemical medicine. But if my cough is getting worse, so I go to the doctor immediately. Now the lemon is warm. Okay, then you have to be careful. You can squeeze out the lemon into the cup like this. Ow, 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 ow.
Panas.
This is for 1 spoon, and put the sweet ketchup in here, also 1 spoon, and stir well. You can see the liquid is like this, and it's ready to serve. Now I will drink it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, that is from me, the tutorial video for making a traditional medicine for cough. I hope it's useful, and thank you.